and welcome to the platform, a new media forum that focuses on the next generation network solutions marketplace. I'm Neal Axelrad. I'm the CEO of GCS. I'll be your host as we explore the challenges that carriers are facing and what solutions are available to those carriers to meet those challenges. Today I'm joined by Bill Madison. He's the Director of Sales and Partner Development from Alliant Technologies. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you, Neal. Thanks for having me.
Not a problem, not a problem. So I understand that Alliant is in the process of launching or has a new kind of delivery mechanism from the channel, from a channel perspective. So with IT and telecom channels, they're converging, right? So why should I partner with Alliant? Why should maybe even GCS partner with Alliant?
I think the word that comes to mind is opportunity. I think who isn't driven by opportunity? I think I am. Most of our salespeople, at least I hope they're driven by opportunity.
Absolutely.
So, but to that end, I think one of the major problems that we're seeing in this IT and telecom convergence is fear. Is kind of the fear of trying to find out how can we bridge this gap between IT and telecom.
Mm-hmm.
And what Alliant has done, and through our agent program, what we're able to do is to help create that bridge, to create a new platform for our partners to sell in the IT and telecom space and to help them alleviate those fears. Mm-hmm. I think companies today are faced with a number of changing initiatives, something that they haven't had 2 years ago or 5 years ago or 10 years ago. They're faced with, what am I doing with my cloud initiative? What am I doing with mobility or virtualization? How do I do more with less? And they're doing it right now. So if you are an IT consultant or a telecom agent or some other professional that's selling into the SMB or enterprise space, mm-hmm. Our platform can help bring a value added to your core business and maybe and really complement you to help you drive more revenues through your core, but to continue to be a complement. We don't want to be in your marketplace. We want to be a complement to what you're currently doing.
So traditionally, just so I understand, I guess previous to this convergence, an agent or a reseller would go in and sell telecom stuff to the
That's right.
The guy who runs telecom. The IT guy would buy IP. He would buy the servers. Now we're seeing that all move together, and you guys are at the forefront of that.
That's right, and I think the telecom folks haven't really felt comfortable dealing in the IT space and vice versa. Mm-hmm. And how does it all make sense? I think you'll see some IT offerings that have remained IT, and I think you're starting to see a lot of telecom offerings that are starting to look like IT, mm-hmm. but nobody's really kind of putting those all together.
Everything's an app.
And I think we've actually gotten that application straight.
That's interesting. So that kind of brings us to the next question: is uniqueness of the offering. There's lots of competitive spirit out there. There are. I don't think every company does the same thing as every other company, but there's lots of choices out there for small to medium businesses and even large businesses. What makes Alliant technique? What makes the offering technique
I think
unique?
Yeah, and I appreciate the question. I think that one of the things, if you ask our customers, is really our passion, our deep consuming passion to work with technology and to use that technology to help companies make changes in the way they think and the way they deliver their products and services. There was not too long ago that IT was thought of as a cost center, and now it's moved to an asset. And Alliant now can work with that asset to help deliver a more profitable and powerful infrastructure to companies. And through our agent platform, we're able to help create a unique thing. We don't want to be a solution that is just added to another bag of mix that telecom agents can do. Agents trust us with their customers. We get that. We know that. And our agents are unique. We're unique, and I think our agent platform is unique as well.
So you've piqued my interest. So what can I expect? Let's say.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah. So GCS says, hey, something. We have feet on the street. We want to become an agent. What would I expect first? 30 days. What's the program like?
Well, I think, and to that point, I think what most agents can expect is that we have the vehicles to complement and to plug right into what your current core initiatives are. We want to be able to plug into your world, not the other way around. So I think what you're going to find is that we have a real set of solutions that can be sold and can be realized today. There's no training that needs to be done. It's something that is happening today. And again, as a complement, I think it fits well with most people. And I'll give you an example in the telecom world. If you happen to be a telecom agent, you might be having added pressure from your enterprise to cut costs on your IP infrastructure or your voice. What's happening behind the scenes could be that IT manager, that CIO, is faced with real pressures to do a lot more with less. And maybe one of their initiatives is to create a cloud-based offering to help bring a product to the street quicker. Mm-hmm. Well, through our Alliant Managed Services, we're able to help them to not have to go out and hire more personnel, but to help assist them in developing that cloud-based solution. And as an overall net effect, we can help the customers save more money and drive that initiative through some of our Alliant Managed Services, which is one of our product offerings. Something that was never able to be presented through a telecom channel, as one example.
So what are the other examples of the product offerings that you have?
Well, we have from one of the things that we've done is we've kind of been able to craft our market offerings to look at the market trends as well as some of the things that we've done very well. And we've kind of come up with a few defined areas. One would be data storage. Mm-hmm. The second would be unified communications. Another one would be data center virtualization, and then managed services. Okay. And we've partnered with companies like NetApp and Cisco and VMware to help carve a best-of-breed solution from a product set. And when you manage that with our managed services, you as an agent are now able to plug into an IT company with over 12 years of experience in this space to help create, again, a value added to your customer, a complementary set of products and services that can help drive your business.
Fantastic. Sounds like you've come up with a great offering. I know you're just starting, and you're off to some flying start. Hey,
Sounds
we
great.
appreciate you coming to the platform and wish you good luck in the future.
Thank you very much, Neal. Thanks for having me.